I see you looking at me like...
No, I'm gonna do it towards the camera. Ready? I'm gonna go. And then I'll go. I actually have the boobs to do it though.
Shut up. I have the boobs to do it too.
Mine are bigger.
Mine are smaller.
So what? You wanna go?
You wanna go? You want a titty fight?
Not really.
I'd do it better, see.
Yeah, mine doesn't look like a drunk donkey trying to do the waltz.
You drunk transvestite.
Yeah, well, at least I have something. You're furry. You're furry.
Shut up, Bushy.
I just kicked your phone. Dude, that hurt.
Hey, try to spin like those DJs.